Hi everyone and welcome back to So Blessed by Jess, and today is day 7 of Vlogmas, and today we are going to make the Meteor block. It is a wonderful block. It's a lot of half square triangles and solid blocks, so we're going to go ahead and give you the instructions as we're going through. Reminder, it's on the website, but I will go over like what the dimensions are that I cut it down and what I'm doing to construct the block. So let's get ready and head to the table. So for the Meteor block, we need 4 blocks that are 4 1/4 squares, 4 squares that are 3 1/2. Then for the background, I'm choosing just to use 1 fabric. It does call for 2 in the pattern, so just go ahead and take caution with that. These are 4 3 1/2 inch squares, and then 4 4 1/4 squares. So we're going to take 1 square background from the 4 1/4 and 1 square of the colored fabric, the focus fabric, and we are going to put them of the 4 1/4, and we're going to put them together face to face. Then, like we've done before, we're going to take our ruler or any of our devices that we can draw a straight line with. We are then going to draw right down the center and sew a 1/4 inch away from that drawn line. And we're going to do that to all 4 of the 4 1/4. Okay, and when we finish that, we're going to cut right down the center, flip it open, and press towards the dark. Okay. After you press all your blocks to the dark, you're going to take your ruler and you are going to go ahead and trim everything down to the 3 1/2 inch mark. Now that I have all of my blocks trimmed to 3 1/2, I'm going to grab a solid and a background 3 1/2, and I'm going to place it here. And then I'm going to take my half square triangles, this one facing down, and then this one the opposite way, facing up. And we are going to make 4 units that look just like this. All right, so now that we have our blocks done, let's go ahead and lay it out. We're going to make sure this solid block is in the upper, in the corners. Oh, this way. All right, I just had to replace the blocks, but I just wanted you to see this is how it's going to lay out. All right, so now I'm going to sew down the center seam and then sew the long vertical, and we're done. And just like that, the Meteor block is finished. I love that I ended up using the holly berry leaves on this block. So you got your pinwheel in the center, and then you have some half square triangles, blocks followed by some solid blocks all the way around, and it looks scrumptious. It is wonderful. I'm really, really loving this block. Absolutely. So today I am thankful for, and I am blessed for my teammate, my workmate in crime at school, and I won't give her name. But she is absolutely amazing. When I went to charter school and I left the public school and went to charter school, I was like, oh my word, who is going to be my partner? Because I'm a very type A personality person. I have structure, I have a schedule. It's just, I'm planned out, planned a lot. And she is, not saying she's the opposite, but she's the yin to my yang. She is the bread to my butter. Like, it is just, we are so amazing. We work so well together, and she's so much like me, and in certain ways.
And I really, really enjoy her. And I'm glad that we share our 44 babies together. So this year. So thank you so much for putting up with me, loving on me, and hanging out with me the way that you do if you see this video. So anywho, I hope you guys all have a wonderful afternoon, evening, morning, whatever time it is for you. And I will see you on day 8 of our Vlogmas video. Until then, bye.